Hello everyone, this is Samir Nouri. I'm product training manager here at JVC Kenwood, responsible for JVC cameras and production equipment. What you're seeing here is the GYHC 550 camera, our newest model, which not only records in 4K at 50 and 60p in ProRes format using SSD media, but it can also stream live to the internet. So you can, for instance, use your YouTube account and stream live with this camera to it, while at the same time recording your footage on an SDHC card or an SSD medium like this one. The camera has a 20 times zoom, has SDI outputs and a network connector, as well as a Wi-Fi interface built in. You can also use it with LTE modems to connect to wireless networks and stream your footage directly from anywhere where you have an LTE network available. The camera can be, of course, battery operated or with a main supply, and you can use it in a mobile way or in a studio. For studio use, we can also make use of the network connection and use a remote controller, so you have full control over not only the zoom and the focusing of the camera, but also you have control over white balance, gain, and other features of the camera via this network connector. So it's basically a camera you can use in the studio and also for ENG work. Please visit our website. It's jvc.de, www.jvc.de, or www.jvckenwood.com.